How to download Milestone application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily download the Milestone application in iOS or Android device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards Google Play Store if you are an Android device or simply go to Apple Store if you are an iOS device. Then in the search box, simply type Milestone credit card. After that, in the results at the top, you will see Milestone application. Simply click on install and in certain time your application will be installed. But if you are facing any location issue while downloading the Milestone application in your device, you are suggested to download the VPN and set a location where Milestone application is allowed. So that's it. That is how easily you can download Milestone application in your iOS or Android device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.